Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share this fashionable, super easy, no-sew, two-layered filtered face mask with you guys. So here we go. You want to start off with a long tube sock, scissors, and a coffee filter. Sweet. So we're going to start with layer 1 by making a cut across the top of the sock. And make sure it's big enough to cover your nose and your mouth. That looks good. Now, I want this Nike logo to show, so I'm gonna turn the sock around and cut a vertical line through the sock. Great, we're almost done with the first layer already. Easy, right? I'm pretty happy with this size, so now I'm going to fold this widthwise so we can begin cutting our ear holes. You may need to adjust the length of the incision based on the size of your face. Make sure that you do not cut all the way through. If you cut all the way through, you're going to have to start all over again, so be careful. Alright, layer 1. Now, you can wear this in a pinch, but as you can see, you're not going to get much protection from that. So let's try this baby on. So this is what one layer looks like. And it's good enough. I mean, for a mask made from a sock, I think it looks pretty good. Wasn't expecting it to be haute couture, but you get a lot of coverage. It covers my nose completely, and it goes all the way down and covers my chin. So let's run a test. Not so great, right? It's pretty porous. So let's work on another layer. So we're gonna use the same sock. And let's combine these just to make sure that they're the same size, since I really liked the size of the first layer. And we're just gonna do the same thing all over again. Now, you wanna make sure that you are cutting this correctly because this is the heel part of the sock. You don't want it to be off center, otherwise it might fit weird and be a little uncomfortable. So, once again, vertical incision down the back of the sock, fold it widthwise, and we're going to measure to see where the previous incisions for the ear holes were, and just copy that for our second layer. Now let's add some filtration. The CDC suggests using a coffee filter, so that's what I'm gonna do. But before we use it, let's just cut this thing down just a little bit so that the paper isn't exposed beyond the mask when you're wearing it. This looks good to me, so let's do a quick check. Alright, and I think that's gonna work. These all fit perfectly together. I'm happy. And there you have it. That's our mask. Simple enough, easy enough. Let's try this thing on. So first, we want to split this filter in half. That way, for each coffee filter, you get 2 filters. We don't want the filter directly touching our skin. Yeah, let's get that the right way. Flip that around. And we're going to put on our second layer over that. And this already looks really good. I like this. Find the right fit. This feels pretty good. Now let's run our second test. And would you look at that? I can breathe comfortably, but I can no longer blow the piece of paper. There you have it. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. This was pretty fun to do. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out some of my other videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!